What's going on, everyone? Got a 2022 Subaru WRX here. I'm gonna show you how to reset the service reminders on this guy. Alright, so you're gonna want to go over to the radio and you're gonna want to click car information. Once you're in car information, you'll see maintenance right up here. Now you can see engine oil, oil filter, tires, and maintenance schedule. The three down below on this car are not enabled, okay? But I'll show you how to reset the engine oil. Hit the gear symbol here, and you notice that we don't have a date or a time in this one, but we do have miles. If you just hit update, it will reset the miles automatically. Now you can go in here and actually set times and dates, okay, if you want. All right, just like that, all right? Same thing with the miles. You can go ahead and do longer miles if you want, all right? And that's pretty much how you do it. And you do that with all the services. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, be sure to drop me a like, leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.